Today we will learn about artcam 2008. Paste along a curve. I'll select paste along curve and select my circle, and I select also this square, press shift and this circle, and I select paste along a curve. I select the numbers of circles 12, so we can see now they have 12 circles on this square. This means paste along curves. And now I click on spline vector. We will check now what's the function of spline vector. I click on spline vector and I select that circle also. This I can move the object, I can make shape, I can move this object with that cursor. We have to select that black, and now we will check fillet tools, and I select fillet tools, and I can make curves now, and four corner, and I will close, and now I will zoom in, and we can see now they have a curves. After that we will go to trim vector. We have option trim tool, and I can make trim. I can delete that not requiring areas. I can trim that areas, and after I close. Now we will click on offset vector, and I want to make my object offset. I will give here one number, like for example 20. Now I click offset. Now from one line to another line have distance is around 20. And now I will click on mirror vector. We have here option top, left, right, bottom. So first we will click copy this. I will click, I select this file, and I will copy, control C, and then I will make mirror from left, right, anywhere as your requirement. Again copy this, and you can move from bottom and top. Here is it.